आदर्श, इफ यू आर देयर, दादा तुम्हें ना वो पूछ रहे थे क्लास 10 के भी तुम टाइप कर सकते हो क्वेश्चन पेपर। मैंने बोला कि नहीं, आदर्श नहीं कर सकता। मैं फिर से रे ऑप्टिक्स रिवाइज करूंगी आदर्श, तुम भी करना, कुछ पढ़ना। Speed of light, V and frequency to C upon 2 lambda n constant and change with do not change with the change in medium. Speed of changes. Medium. Snell's law. mu1 sin theta 1 is equals to mu2 sin theta 2 of reflector. Index. Mu is equals to C upon F lambda or V m sin theta 1 is equals to C upon V2m V2. Snell's law in terms of speed. Wavelength. Sine theta 1 upon lambda 1. It's another F. Two. TIR or theta C I, then angle of refraction. Angle of refraction is equals to 90 degree. Incidence greater than theta C of TIR. Refraction. Critical angle. GLE angle. Equals to 1. Thank you. DE and SE are denser to error. Means offset. D interface face. H actual height. H dash apparent height. TUL actual height. H height. Mu apparent height. H into mu. Height, refractive index, H into mu. Actual height into mu. Refractive index, right? D plus H dash. Sphere like है apparent depth. Major run interface swimming pool. slab. One, I swear to God. 1 minus mu upon what is it? I think it's 1 minus mu minus 1. 1 minus 1 upon mu. Mu 1. Multiple slab. Shift. T1 1 minus 1 upon mu 1 plus 1 minus 1 upon mu n. It doesn't affect. Parent that rarer to denser. Sweet refraction by curved surface. Refraction by curved surface is mu1 mu2 minus mu1 upon mu2 minus mu1 upon r. mu2 upon v minus mu1 upon u is to mu2 is mu1 upon r. Final medium in which light is finally going. Multiple slab. Rarer to denser. Refractive index. Total internal reflection. √3 upon 2. I'll go and get some water.
Get some water, bro. Get some water. Water. मुझे आता खुद का दूंगा如果长不要给他这个钱啊，如果长
I don't know. I just don't know. अघि 7 भन्दाखेरि अगाडि कल गर्छु भन्थ्यो नि. That was embarrassing. I don't want to think about it. Oh. Mu increases, then so and so. Lambda. Constant. A ray of light strikes a glass plate at an angle of 60 degrees. A ray of light strikes a glass plate at an angle of 60 degrees. The reflected and refracted rays are perpendicular to each other. The index of refraction of glasses. Reflected. Degree. Process. Maybe 60. 30. This is normal. The index of refraction of glasses equals to root 3. Angle of refraction 30. Okay. The total internal reflection from a medium to vacuum is 30 degree. If a critical angle for total internal reflection from medium to vacuum vacuum denser or rarer 30 degree. The velocity of light in medium. Vm equals to 3 into 10 to the power 8 upon 2. Vm equals to 1.5 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Ray must travel from denser to rarer medium. The wavelength of light into liquid X and Y is 3,500 Armstrong lambda y is equals to 7,000 Armstrong, then the critical angle will be sine theta 3500 0. Okay, the wavelength of light into liquid x and y is the wavelength of light into liquid. To some 30 degree. 5 6 7 8 The refraction index of certain glass is 1.5. For light whose wavelength in vacuum mu equals to 1 is equals to 6,000 Armstrong. The wavelength of light when it passes through glass is. The refraction index of certain glass is 1.5 for light whose wavelength is in vacuum is 6,000 Armstrong. The wavelength of light when it passes through glass is. The refractive index of certain glass is 1.5 for light whose wavelength in vacuum is 6,000 Armstrong. Vacuum का this is 6,000 Armstrong. 5. The wavelength of light when it passes through glass. Theta 1 is equals to theta 2. 1 into 6,000 is equals to mu 2. 1.5 into refractive index of water is 4/3. And bar of given slab of glass immersed in it is 5/3. What is the critical angle for a ray of light tending to go from glass to water? Denser to rarer. Three fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. 4/5. 4/5. 'When light travels from one medium to other, of which the refractive index is different, then which of the following will change? Frequency constant, a square speed. We change. One more, lambda change. Wavelength and speed of light change. Hmm. The frequency nu divided into the 16 hertz and speed of light in years. Meter per second. Unit of frequency is hertz. And speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Mu is 5 into 10 to the power 6 hertz. एक frequency. Leave them. Just focus here, okay? Mu is 5 into 10 to the power 16 hertz. And speed of light in air is 8 meter per second. Find the ratio of wavelength of light in medium of refractive index 2 to air. Medium. Mu2 is equals to 1. Sine theta 1 is equals to mu2 sine theta 2. This is not given. Mu is given. Mu is equals to C upon Vm. Mu is equals to C upon frequency into Vm. Wavelength. Lambda. Lambda 1. Ratio of wavelength of light in medium. Theta 2. 3 into 10 to the power 8 per second upon frequency is 5 into 10 to the power 16 hertz into lambda 1 is equals to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second upon 5 into 10 to the power 6 into 2. Mu 2 is equals to C upon F into lambda 2. Lambda 2 is equals to 3 into 10 to the power 8. F is 5 into 10 to the power 16 into mu 2 is 1. Lambda 2 is equals to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second upon 5 into 10 to the power 6. The ratio of refraction of the angle medium. Find the ratio of wavelength of light in medium of refractive index 2 to air. Medium upon in air. Here is medium. Five into 10 to the power 6 into 2. Air. This is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. 5 into 10 to the power 6. One upon 2. glass is 0.5 for light whose wavelength in vacuum is 6000 Armstrong. The wavelength of light when it passes through glass. One. Okay. Mu is equals to C upon Vm, which is C upon F into frequency into wavelength. Glass. Okay. Lambda glass is equals to C3 into 10 to the power 8 upon frequency into mu 1.5. 5. Mu is equals to C of frequency into lambda. Mu is equals to 1. 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Lambda is equals to 6000. Frequency. Frequency is equals to 3 into 10 to the power 8 upon 1 into lambda 6000 Armstrong. This is 10 to the power 3, okay? 3 into 3, 10 to the power 5, okay? 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. Frequency is equals to 1 upon 2 into 10 to the power 5, okay? So from here we can write that 3 into 10 to the power 8, 1 upon 2 into 10 to the power 5 into 1.5 10. 3 1 0 6. 3 1 3, 3 5 is 15. 1 5, 5 2 is 10. 2 2 is 4 upon 1 into 10 to the power 3. 4 into 10 to the power 3. Lambda is equals to 4000 Armstrong. 4000 Armstrong. When a ray of light enters a medium of refractive index mu, it is observed that angle of refraction is half of angle of incidence. Then the angle of incidence is half of angle of refraction. देखो सारे mu1 sin theta 1 equals to mu2 sin theta 2. And into sin is equals to mu sin I by 2. Sin theta is equals to mu sin theta by 2. Sin theta by 2. 2 theta is equals to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta is equals to sin 2 theta equals to sin 2 sin theta upon 2 cos theta upon 2 is equals to mu sin theta by 2. So this 2 cos theta by 2 is equals to mu. 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 Cos theta is equals to theta by 2 is equals to cos inverse mu by 2. Theta is equals to 2 times cos inverse mu upon 2. जल्दी जल्दी पढ़ना पड़ेगा ना. Spherical mirror. What I have to do is spherical mirror. When a ray of light enters a medium of refractive index mu, it is observed that the angle of refraction is equals to half of angle of incidence. Sin theta 1, mu 1 sin theta 1 is equals to mu 2 sin theta 2. 1 sin theta by 2, angle of incidence theta by 2. Angle of incidence is sin theta, mu sin theta by 2. Mu sin 1, 1 sin theta, mu sin theta by 2. Sin theta equals to mu sin theta by 2. Sin 2 theta is equals to 2 sin theta multiplied by cos theta. Sin theta 2 sin theta by 2 is equals to mu theta by 2 again, right? Mu sin theta upon 2, this whole thing. 2 cos theta by 2 is equals to mu cos theta by 2 is equals to 2 times mu. 2 times mu. Theta upon 2 is equals to 2 cos inverse mu. Hey, you got it wrong. Again you did it wrong. Okay. Mu upon 2. This is in multiplication, no? So divide. Cos theta by 2. Mu upon 2. Theta by 2. Cos inverse mu by 2. Theta is equals to 2 times cos inverse mu upon 2. 2 cos inverse mu by 2. Refractive index is the property of material glass H2 refractive index depends upon wavelength of light. Material की property क्या? refractive index मटेरियल की प्रॉपर्टी होगी. मटेरियल की प्रॉपर्टी ग्लास H2 हर एक मीडियम के लिए रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स अलग होगा. म्यू इज इक्वल्स टू स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन मीडियम. स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन वैक्यूम रेशियो ऑफ स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन वैक्यूम अपॉन स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन मीडियम. C upon Vm depends upon wavelength of light. Okay, refractive index depends upon wavelength of light. On infrared medium change, speed and wavelength changes but frequency remains same. Source नहीं हुआ तो frequency change नहीं होगी. Waveguide or maximum wavelength. It has maximum wavelength, minimum mu, maximum wavelength, refractive index minimum answer. Inversely proportional to the minimum wavelength waveguide means violet minimum, maximum. Is a refractive index. Okay. Clearly अलग refractive index होती है. Okay. Refractive index of violet is greater than refractive index of red, but wavelength of red is greater than wavelength of violet. Law for reflection and second ray, refracted ray, and normal all lies on same plane. Snell law, mu1 sine angle of incidence is equals to mu2 sine angle of refraction. Okay, mu2 is greater than mu1. Medium 2 is greater than medium 1, and light of rarer to denser towards the normal. Light will bend towards the normal, rarer to denser towards the normal, denser to rarer away from the normal. Denser to rarer away from normal. Sin theta 1 equals to mu to sin theta 2. Okay. Denser जिस मीडियम का म्यू ज़्यादा होता है, रेयर जिस मीडियम का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स कम होता है. When mu1 is greater than mu2, कौन सा? Away from normal. Mu is equals to C upon Vm. Vm frequency to wavelength. Constant. Frequency constant क्योंकि मीडियम की चेंज होने पर चेंज नहीं होती. mu1 sin theta 1 is equals to mu2 sin theta 2. C upon V1 sin theta 1 is equals to C upon V2 sin theta 2. Sin theta 1 V1 equals to sin theta 2 V2. Velocity of or speed in medium, speed of light and medium. Okay, speed of light and medium. Okay. Sin theta 1 lambda 1 equals to sin theta 2 lambda 2. Sin theta 1 upon lambda 1, sin theta 1 upon, here I wrote something messy, lambda 1 lambda 2. I didn't write it, I did it. No, lambda 2 in terms of wavelength, right? Yep, in terms of wavelength. Total internal reflection condition. Ray must travel from denser to rarer medium. normal incident, okay, tensor to rear away from the normal. 3. Refractive angle of refraction will also increase. Critical angle, theta c, 90 degree. Refraction becomes 90 degree away from normal, obviously. Condition mu2 must be greater than mu1, mu2 tensor. mu1 greater than mu2 बंदा मतलब angle of refraction भी बढ़ेगा. Okay, when we increase angle of incidence, angle of refraction will also increase. theta c के बाद refraction 90 degree होगा, उसके बाद angle of reflection TIR के phenomena होगी. Critical angle R equals to 90 degree angle of reflection. If angle of incidence is greater than critical angle theta c, phenomenon of TIR will occur. I equals to R. Angle of incidence equals to angle of. I just don't like her. Just be calm. And also to rate medium 90 degree critical angle greater than theta c TIR. If angle of incidence is smaller than theta c, light will refract and law of refraction will be valid. Really? Propagation, shift. I'll end this live session and I'll start it again, because I have some problem here. I have to watch video lectures. After a few minutes, I will reconduct a new session. Bye bye everyone. I have to end the session because I have to check some answer from my mobile phone.